welcome back to my channel today. Thank you for sharing some of your time with me. I have this little canvas here, it's a 5x7, and I want to do a little experiment with something. I haven't painted in a while. Well, I am painting, but I haven't been doing pours. If you look back through the videos, and I did that big, large ant, I've also done a bird that flips down like this, don't even know what you call it, and a snake made out of rocks. And I'm also working on a very large cat that you can put a candle in the inside. And it makes some nice, it comes out through scrolls on the sides with light. I'll have to show you some of them, I'll bring them in. But I want to get back to pouring, so I'm going to do this little 5x7. I have an idea in my mind, and I'll probably use the same colors as I did yesterday. Thanks again for watching. We'll take a look and see how this works. So here's my 5x7. I really ought to put these gloves on, but too late. I've already started. Hopefully I won't get any white paint all over my dark pants. I have a few of them. So I'm going to put this white on here, and I want it thick. Going to smear it with this, get it all smeared out. And I'm not going to use too much color. Have something in my mind I've been trying to accomplish, but I haven't, like I said, I haven't poured in a while, so I guess you have to keep doing it. Whenever you stop doing something, you lose part of it, and that's what I'm trying to avoid. So I picked this little 5x7 and see how that comes out. And I'm going to use my cell maker on this tool here, which reminds me I got to get the thing I threw in there yesterday still in there. So let me see. I've got this blue. And what are we doing here? I'm going to go this way with the blue, and I have this color here. I'm not going to use too many colors. This one here is Pour Master's Warm Silver. I like the results of that. I used it as a cell maker once, and it was pretty nice the way it came out. I haven't checked yet to see why this one won't come out. I'll have to clean the top of it. I think I'll use a little bit of this one here, and this is Rose Gold Metallic. There we go. Wipe the top off. Okay. And here's my cell maker. I don't know whether I want to smear it on or blow it with the dryer. I think I'll blow it with the dryer. Not the dryer, the air gun. bit with this. I like the littler ones. But in fact, there's one in there, so I'm going to grab that one. Somebody came in the door, and they'll probably poke their nose in here. I like this warm silver, and I think I'm going to add some of it in other places and put some of the air on it from the gun. Kind of use this as a secondary cell maker, see what happens. Now, Oh, that came out fast. Alright, now I can fool around with it. I'm liking this a lot better than I did. Kind of gives you the amount of paint that you need on such a small space, and the different things you can do by adding color on top of color to change your piece of artwork. And I like what I added down there. Well, there you go. And here is the one that I did yesterday. How that came out, I put some sprinkles on it. I think that came out pretty good. I like it. And I'll take you for a closer look for this one. And here's a close-up. We'll go down here first. Come on, focus, 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 focus. Okay. And it's a small piece, but it helps me getting back into the pouring. So in the next video or two, I'll have to bring one of my stone creatures in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and notification when you can see the next video. Thank you.